This is the story of how I almost died owning a drone. Okay, that's clickbait. This is the story of how I sustained some injuries while owning a drone. Yeah. Anyways, let's roll into what exactly happened. 2 weeks ago, I uploaded a video on this channel about how I purchased a drone. While I was in the process of making that video, I had gotten some footage, but I wasn't totally pleased with the footage I had got, and I wanted to get some more footage to sweeten up that video and just make it a little bit better, a little bit crispier. However, some complications went down. Mind you, this was day 2 of owning and flying the drone, so I needed to find an open space. Yeah, I basically didn't want to have to worry about hitting anyone or anything because that would be bad. I'm skating the neighborhood and I find this like secret path, this hidden path, and I don't know where it goes. I follow the path and I find this like open field and I'm like, this is it, this is perfect. All right, here we go. I found this spot, there's a good clearing, there's no people or cars around, so I don't have to worry about crashing into anybody. I'm looking at something pretty good, I would say. I set up camp, I got everything ready to go, and I took off. I was doing really well. I was getting a lot of good footage. We out here. Sunset. Here we go. So at this point, you know, I've taken off, I've come back down quite a few times, and I hear beeping from my controller.
Why are you yelling at me?
Me, being a royal dumbass, decide to ignore it, ignore the warnings, and instead insist that I can get one more flight, just one more. This is where everything went wrong for me. I feel it losing elevation, I feel it pulling down, and I am concerned. I start trying to pull it back towards me and try and land it back on the pavement, and you know, that doesn't happen. That does not work. It stops about halfway, maybe 200 feet away from me, just starts just dropping at a rapid rate to the ground. So it crash lands. It crash lands in some bushes. And at the time, you know, I didn't think too much of it. I mean, I was like, this is bad, but you know, I'll just get down there and I'll go retrieve it, you know, whatever. Guys, we've had an emergency crash landing. Turns out, I get down there and these bushes are as tall as I am. There I am trying to strategize. I'm looking at different angles. I'm looking at different approaches in order to get into these bushes as quick as possible and get out before any bugs or anything tries to attack me while I'm in here. I go around the bushes, then I go to the front of the bushes. At this point, I make an attempt to get down.
Oh, God. Fuck. Shit, fuck. I'm just gonna have to sprint. And also look really effectively so that I can spend as little time as possible in this nastiness.
I end up just jumping, kind of to get a head start and get my adrenaline pumping. I just jump in, and this was a mistake.
Oh my God. Okay. Shit. No. Oh no. I've trapped myself. Oh dear God.
This is when I realized how offset from the pavement to the bushes was, and immediately at this point, panic ensues.
No.
I'm facing an incline, so I had to kind of just climb my way out.
Panic attack. Panic attack.
I jump in and you can see this just black hole I create from my body, and you can't see the ground through the hole. Like, you can't.
Okay. Holy fuck shit. I mean, I knew it was deep, but I didn't fucking think it was that goddamn deep. Do you see that? You can't even see the ground.
This is when I first realized I wasn't dealing with just bushes here. I was dealing with thorn bushes.
Also, those are thorns, by the way. Didn't know that. Those are thorn bushes. All right.
So that was nice to know. So after that, I go to the back side of the bushes once again. I'm really regretful at this point. I really don't want to go in there. I'm just very afraid of what could be in the bushes.
So, fuck. Fuck. Shit.
Eventually, I work up the courage, and I'm talking all of the courage that's in my body. Like, every bit of courage, every ounce, every drip of courage I had, it took to make it into these bushes. I'm not kidding you. I'll maybe insert a couple clips where you can see the sheer terror that I felt.
Dude, I hear my fucking drone. It's beeping for me. I'm coming, my sweetie! Ew! 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 Dude, please, I just pray to God. Dude, I pray to... Ew! 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 Please, whatever's in these bushes, holy fuck! Please be more afraid of me than I am of you! Okay, no, it's fine. Everything's fine. Oh my God. It's fine. No, I'm fine. Dude. Ow! Fuck, that's a fucking goddamn thorn. Shit.
I collect the drone, I get out of the bushes, and then realize, oh, I'm bleeding a lot.
I'm gonna need a lot of therapy after that. I'm gonna need a lot of therapy after that. I'm now skating home. I really didn't think today was gonna end like this. Both of my legs are stinging furiously. But yeah, what a beautiful sunset though. Ouch. Ouch.
Thankfully, I got my drone back, and lessons learned from this is that if you get a warning, probably heed that warning. Don't ignore it. Just listen. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this story, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.